everyone, and welcome to English Podcast Academy. Today, we are going to learn English through 6 different scenes. First, listen carefully with subtitles to understand everything clearly. Then listen again without subtitles to improve your listening skills. Why? Take your time, relax, and enjoy learning English with us. Let's get started.
At the gym. A polite conversation.
Excuse me, are you using this machine?
No, I'm not. I just finished.
Okay, I wasn't sure.
Yeah, it's free now. Go ahead.
Thanks. I didn't want to interrupt.
No problem. I'm glad you asked.
Some people don't ask, so I try to be polite.
That's good. It makes things easier.
Yeah, this gym gets busy.
Especially in the evening. A lot of people come after work.
That's when I come too. After work, I'm usually tired.
Same here. Work takes a lot of energy.
But coming here helps. It clears my head.
Exactly. Exercise helps me relax.
I joined recently, so everything feels new.
I remember that feeling. It was the same for me.
There are so many machines. It's a little confusing.
Yeah, at first it can be overwhelming.
Sometimes I don't know which machine to use.
That's normal. You learn with time.
Do you come here often?
Yeah, about 3 times a week.
That's good. I'm trying to be consistent.
That's the key. Consistency matters more.
I used to skip workouts. Now I'm trying harder.
That's a good decision. Small steps are enough.
I like that mindset. It feels less stressful.
Exactly. No need to rush.
Is this machine easy to use?
Yeah, it is. You just adjust the seat.
Okay. I was worried about that.
If it feels uncomfortable, you can change it.
Good to know. I don't want to hurt myself.
That's smart. Safety comes first.
Sometimes I feel nervous here. Everyone looks so fit.
I felt the same way before, but everyone starts somewhere.
That's true. I forget that sometimes.
Most people are focused on their own workout.
Yeah, that makes sense. I guess I worry too much.
We all do. It's normal.
All right, I'll try this now.
Sounds good. Take your time.
Thanks again. You were really helpful.
No problem at all. Enjoy your workout.
You too. Have a good session.
Thanks. See you around.
A teacher gives advice to a student.
Come in. Please, have a seat.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. A bit stressed, honestly.
I understand. School can feel overwhelming sometimes.
Yes, that's why I wanted to talk to you.
I'm glad you came. What's been bothering you?
I feel like I'm falling behind, especially in my classes.
Thank you for being honest. That's a good first step.
I try to keep up, but it's getting harder.
Can you tell me more? Which subjects are the most difficult?
Math is one of them, and sometimes science.
All right. Those subjects can be challenging.
I study, but I don't always understand the lessons.
That's important to notice. Studying is not just about time.
What do you mean?
It's also about how you study, not just how long you study.
I usually read my notes. Sometimes I reread the textbook.
That's a good start, but it may not be enough.
What else should I do?
Try to ask questions while studying. Ask yourself why things work the way they do.
I don't always do that. I mostly try to memorize.
Memorizing helps sometimes, but understanding helps much more.
That makes sense. I guess I rush too much.
Many students do. They feel pressure to move fast.
I'm afraid of failing. That's why I rush.
That fear is normal, but rushing can create more stress.
So I should slow down?
Yes, slow down and focus on one thing at a time.
I like that idea. It feels more manageable.
Good. Also, don't study alone all the time.
You mean group study?
Exactly. Talking with others can help you see things differently.
I usually study by myself. I'm not very confident.
Confidence grows with practice. You don't need to be perfect.
I forget that sometimes.
Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
That's reassuring to hear.
I also want to talk about your schedule. How much sleep do you get?
Not enough. I stay up late studying.
That's another issue. Lack of sleep affects concentration.
I feel tired in class, especially in the morning.
That explains a lot. Your brain needs rest to learn.
So sleeping more could help?
Absolutely. A rested mind learns better.
I didn't think of it that way.
Many students don't. They think more hours always mean better results.
But that's not always true.
Exactly. Balance is very important.
What about exams? I get very anxious before them.
That's common. Preparation helps reduce anxiety.
I prepare, but I still feel nervous.
Try breaking your study into small parts. That makes it less scary.
I usually try to do everything at once.
That can be overwhelming. Small steps work better.
I'll try that next time.
Good. And remember, asking for help is okay.
Sometimes I feel embarrassed.
There's no need to be. Teachers are here to help you.
I'm glad I talked to you today.
I'm glad too. You took a responsible step.
I feel calmer now, more hopeful.
That's great to hear. You're capable of doing well.
Thank you for saying that.
You're welcome. Let's check in again next week.
I'd like that. Thank you for your time.
Anytime. Keep going and take care of yourself.
Hotel check-in.
Hello. We'd like to check in, please.
Yes, we have a reservation.
Of course. May I have your name, please?
Sure, it's under Daniel Carter.
All right. Let me check that for you. We booked it online a few days ago. Yes, I see it here. You booked a double room.
That's right, for 2 nights.
Perfect. May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks fine. Is the room ready now? Yes, it is. You can check in right away.
Great, that's good to hear.
Breakfast is included. It's served from 7 to 10. Okay, that works for us.
Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the password is on the card. Perfect. Thank you. Here are your key cards. Your room is on the 3rd floor.
All right, is there an elevator?
Yes, just around the corner. Great, that makes things easier. If you need anything, just let us know.
Thank you very much, we appreciate it.
Yes, thanks. You've been very helpful. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Asking for clarification.
What do you think about this idea?
I think it's interesting, but I'm not completely sure yet.
That's okay. What makes you unsure?
I like the idea itself. I just worry about the timing.
Timing can be tricky. What worries you exactly?
We might be a bit rushed. There's still a lot to prepare.
I understand that. I don't want to rush either.
In my opinion, waiting a little could help.
Waiting might reduce stress. That's a good point.
Yes, it would give us more flexibility.
I hadn't thought about it that way. I'm glad you said it.
I'm not against the idea. I just want us to think carefully.
That makes sense. Your opinion is reasonable.
Thanks for listening. I appreciate that.
Of course. It helps to hear different views.
Canceling a membership.
Hi, I'd like to cancel my subscription.
Sure, I can help with that.
Thank you. I wasn't sure how to do it.
No problem. Can you tell me why you want to cancel?
I'm not using it very often anymore. My schedule changed.
That happens. Are you switching to something else?
Not right now. I just want to reduce my expenses.
That's understandable. Saving money is important.
Exactly. Every little bit helps.
Your subscription will end at the end of the month.
Okay, so I won't be charged again?
That's correct. No further charges.
Great. That's a relief.
You'll receive a confirmation email. Please keep it for your records.
I will. Thanks for making this easy.
You're welcome. Let us know if you need anything else.
Talking about trips.
So, do you like traveling?
Yeah, I do. I really enjoy trips.
Same here. They help me relax.
Exactly. It's nice to change places.
Do you travel often?
Not very often, maybe once or twice a year.
That's still good. Even one trip helps.
True. It gives you something to look forward to.
Where was your last trip?
I went to the mountains. It was very quiet.
That sounds nice. I like calm places too.
Yeah, it was a good break from work.
Do you prefer mountains or the beach?
I think the beach. I like the sound of the sea.
Same. It feels very relaxing.
Do you usually travel alone or with someone?
Usually with friends. It's more fun that way.
I agree. Sharing trips make them better.
Do you have any trips planned?
Not yet, but I'm thinking about it.
Even planning a trip is exciting.
That's true. It makes you feel happy.
I hope I can travel soon. I really need a break.
Yeah, same here. A trip would be perfect right now.